A company's core values play a critical role in any successful business. Not only do they influence the overall identity of your company, they also function as a beacon for your employees, providing them with a unified code and a set of clearly defined daily goals. Hey guys, I am Shayan Rahman, your cool guide to general management, and I am back with another episode of General Management 101. And today, we will learn about the 5 ways to create strong core values for a successful company. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Let's go. So what are core values? Core values are the fundamental beliefs and guiding principles of any company. A company's core values can function as a kind of mission statement for the company, serving as common goals and guiding principles that inform company culture, product development, and the overall work environment. Now you may ask, why are a company's core values so important? In addition to enhancing brand perception and helping customers build trust with your company, a company's values can have a profound impact on internal workplace culture and employee engagement. Employees and team members who identify strongly with company core values are more likely to remain satisfied and engaged with the company, thus increasing overall performance and giving your company the competitive advantage. Now let's finally jump into the 5 ways you can create core values for a successful company. As a business owner, there's no golden rule when it comes to creating a list of core values for your company. Examples of company core values can be anything from skillfulness and decisiveness to social justice and environmental sustainability. Here are some tactics and methods that can help you develop a set of values. Number 1, brainstorm with your team members. Gather a trusted team of employees and brainstorm a list of company values. If you're the boss or the co-founder, make sure you demonstrate self-control by remaining open-minded and encouraging the rest of your team to speak with candor. Treat everyone in the room as one team and narrow down your core values to a few consensus areas such as dependability or resourcefulness. Then set the list of values aside and revisit them in a few weeks or maybe a few months. If the team still agrees with the value statements, you're in good shape. Number 2, let your mission naturally define your values. Sometimes your core values can emerge as a natural extension of your company's overall mission. For instance, the founders of Patagonia clothing brand aim to create clothing with a minimal environment impact, and their core values of eco-friendly sustainability came to reflect that mission statement. So you can examine and take ownership of a mission statement and see what core values would naturally arise. Number 3, ask yourself the important questions. By doing so, you will ask fundamental questions about your company which can help you clarify your core values. One of these questions can be, what behaviors or actions would the company value over profit? Maybe your values are hard work, open-mindedness, and an entrepreneurial spirit. Maybe you emphasize a desire to drive change by shaking up the status quo. Or maybe your priorities are a healthy work-life balance and high standards of well-being for employees. Determining the specific answer to this question is likely to clarify your company's core values. Number 4, be ultra specific. In a perfect world, a company's core values are clearly defined to the point, where all decision making is done through the lens of those values, even down to the hiring process. Your core values should act as the framework through which you hire entry-level employees and handle human resources. They should be specific enough to attract the people you want. For instance, if your core value is to see continuous improvement through risk-taking, you might want to avoid hiring individuals who prioritize playing safe and are usually very conservative with their methods. In order to be the best company, you should have specific and unified values. And lastly, number 5, look at your customers. Oftentimes, the key to developing core values and to ensure a better future for your company is customer feedback. Most customers value qualities beyond good work and superior products. They are looking for a wow factor to separate your company from all the others. Perhaps they want constant improvement in the area of maybe customer service or a people first approach or even overall reliability. Look at your customers' reviews and feedback and try to incorporate their advice into your company's core values. So guys, it's time to part ways once again. But before you leave, let's list down the 5 core values one final time. Number 1, brainstorm with your team members. Number 2, your mission statement naturally defines your values. Number 3, ask yourself important questions. Number 4, be specific with your core values. And lastly, take customer feedback very seriously. Now, with all these insights, you can also create strong core values and drive your company towards success. I am Chandraman, your general management का cool guide. अब बस hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Over and out.